like a selfie video today. Today I'm going to talk about why your website is not getting clients like it used to. So let's jump in. Okay, that's a little bit better. A little bit more professional. Okay, so here's the thing. The first thing you really need to do is go to your website, check and make sure that all the links are working and that the number one opportunity for someone is to contact you. You want to show your videos, you want to show images of your office, your culture and all that, but really the most important thing is for somebody to contact you. So that's the first thing I want you to do is go to your website, make sure if they click to call you, it works. Make sure that if there's a chat, that it works. Have a friend try all of it by actually calling you and recording it and seeing how long things take and what they actually encounter when they get in touch with you. And then once you know that your website is super slippery, like people can just easily get through, easily fill out forms, easily contact you, then the next thing we want to do is go check out Google. So let's go do that right now. Okay, so here we are on a search result, which is, of course, I'm in the San Francisco area, so I've got San Francisco injury lawyer. And one of the things I noticed actually when I was doing some really deep keyword research last week is that people are not really using the word personal injury lawyer anymore. They're really, the keywords that seem the most valuable and are like up by 900% in terms of searches are the keywords that say near me, like injury lawyer near me or accident lawyer near me. So do your research and be sure that when you are search engine optimizing your website, or anything, that you're using the right keywords, because personal, everybody's still using it, but people aren't really searching on that anymore. So I didn't even put the word personal in here, but I still got a lot of the word personal when I did the search. Okay, so now we're going to use the Socratic method here for website development. First of all, we are talking today about organic search, search engine optimization, making your website show up in organic search. Do you see in this real estate at the top of this screen any organic search results for websites? No, no, you don't. This is paid advertising, paid advertising, paid advertising, and this is the maps listing. They've made it on Google so that websites don't really show up very well in organic search anymore. And how do you actually get your website to perform for you? Well, you get yourself in the top of this maps listing, and then someone clicks on your website from here. So what happens? I'm going to click on this. There it is. There's your San Francisco law firm. Okay, so mainly you got to put so much love and attention into your Google Maps listing. But let's scroll down and see what happens next. Well, next you've got people also ask. And these are actually great if you're trying to get some questions answered. But the problem with them for a law firm is if you're trying to work to get your law firm into here, they're not always geographically specific. Even though I put in San Francisco injury lawyer, we may not be getting the information locally, and you might end up finding a lawyer that's somewhere else, like not nearby, Bakersfield or Southern California. So then where are the organic search listings? They're way down here, up in the nosebleed section of the arena. They're just way down here. But what you'll begin to notice is that the law firms, this one, Dolan, is also number one in the search results. Okay, so how do you get great organic search results? First of all, you pay all your attention to Google Maps. First of all, you're going to want to get reviews, as many reviews as you possibly can. And then secondly, you want also your reviews to be reflected on your website. So these things work together. Your webmaster, whether it's me or someone else, it's probably not me if you're watching this, is going to need to post blog articles regularly on your Google Maps listing and on your website. They can be the same content, but for me, I kind of like to switch it up slightly so that the content isn't exactly the same on both the website, and because we used to get penalized for duplicate content. So you want to post here every time, but it actually has to be 2 different articles, or it should be 2 different articles. Now with ChatGPT, that's easy. You can take the article that you write and ask ChatGPT to just change it up a bit so that it's the same concepts, but written slightly differently. Okay, what else is going on with this guy? This one has open 24 hours. That actually helps your search results here. Okay, so what else do you need to do in order to search engine optimize your website and your Google Maps listing? You upload images and videos that have the file names with the keywords in them. So that's been going on since, I don't know, 2007 or something. But if you don't know that already, that is another key component for getting top search results. It sounds weird, but just name your files. If it's a video, name the file Injury Lawyer San Francisco. And you can't put a video any longer than 30 seconds, at least last time I checked on Google Maps. But just name the video, with the keywords, and also any images. So make sure when you're blogging on your maps and your website that you're naming all of your files with the keywords. Okay, that was a lot about search engine optimization. I hope that you guys understand the takeaway. I cannot seem to get everybody to really understand this in my law firms. They still think that their website is going to get them results, but the website has to be locked in like this with Google Maps, okay? Really, really pay for someone to sit there and blog on your Google Maps and your website and use all those keywords in search engine optimize. It is not just about a website anymore. You need the website, but you got to have Google Maps. If you want to work with me, reach out anytime, text me, call me, email me. You've probably seen a bunch of these videos. I've been doing these since 2008. So I've been in legal marketing nonstop for a long time. We never cost more than everybody else. We're always reasonable, and usually you make a friend for life. So if you want to check in with me, do it. Okay, I'll see you then.